How to operate the eSIM through EIOTCLUB app after inserting into your Android phone. Open settings and ensure data roaming is turned on. The APN should connect automatically, but if not, you need to manually add the APN as Bix APN. Next, you can open our EIOTCLUB app to manage your eSIM. Once inserted into your Android phone, the system will prompt you New eSIM detected. After selecting OK, you'll see that the eSIM has 8 slots available for adding eSIMs. This means you can hold up to 8 more eSIMs. You can either download an already existing virtual eSIM to bind it to this eSIM, or go to eShop to purchase a new one. Once purchased, click Download. After a short wait, the eSIM will be added. Just like previous SIMs, you can monitor the data usage and refill each SIM card. You can also enable or disable this eSIM here. If you wish to delete any eSIM, here you can do that. Now you can start to enjoy your EIOTCLUB eSIM